Okay, I'm driving randomly towards Mount Fuji. Today I'm planning to spend the night in the car. I don't have those cool camping stuff, camping tools, camping gadgets or technologies. I will just use whatever I have with me and spend the night in the car. And I know it's going to be quite rainy tonight or late in the afternoon. So let's see how it works. I came to this random parking spot close to Mount Fuji, and I'm planning to spend one night in this Subaru Legacy B4. It's freezing cold. It has been raining, so now it stopped a bit, but it's expected to rain all night until tomorrow morning 11 a.m. I guess. So anyway, I'll make some tea for myself and warm up a little bit. And then I think I'll just stay inside, stay indoor and sleep. Normally we could see Mount Fuji just over there, which is covered in clouds now. But anyway. Oh, it's good. Water boiled. I was hoping to make some barbecue for tonight, but I don't think I have chance. The rain is getting stronger, so I will do something quick to eat for today's dinner. Then I will just go into the car and sleep and stay indoor entire night. That's all for tonight. This is my dinner. It's raining and it's dark already, so I think I can cook something better for myself tomorrow, if it stops, of course, if the rain stops. Anyway, let's go and eat something and go inside the car. I'm gonna put the seat heater to the fullest. Yep. And outside temperature is 13, so maybe I'll have my heater on as well. Yep, that is it. The dinner I made for myself was not enough. It was small amount, so it's time for some snack. Alright, I have unfolded the back seats and made space for sleeping. So I'm gonna use this airbed and the sleeping bag. But airbed's size is quite big. I don't know if it's going to fit or not, but I will try. Seems all good. Rain is non-stop. Time to sleep. Good night. Good morning. The heavy rain is ongoing, so I think I'm gonna do something indoor. Get something done for the breakfast first. Maybe boil water for a cup of coffee, and then maybe something with bread. Alright. Oh, it's ready. Morning coffee is ready. Overcooked. That side's overcooked. Okay, breakfast is ready. Today's morning meal, that's it. Let's get started. Good. You hear the rain sound? I think it's 9 millimeters per hour rainfall currently in this location. I spent the entire night here under the heavy rain. Of course, I stayed indoors all the time inside the car. And actually there was some warning for some prefectures in Japan, warning of heavy rain and flooding. So it's still ongoing. This place is quite foggy. If the weather improves, if I get some sunshine or like if the rain stops, I think I'm gonna cook for myself and eat. Yep. feels different here. It feels different. I'm starving, so I decided to try something like barbecue. I hope I can get to eat something. Let's find out. It was extremely challenging to start the fire, and the wind and rain kept messing up my table and all this surrounding. The wind. Despite the rain and the wind, we are getting there. Cheers. It's lunchtime. I was lucky to cook some stuff for myself outside. I will wait for the rain to stop and this fog to disappear, because I think it's not safe to drive down the mountain in the foggy weather. So let's see. Itadakimasu. Wait. Too much rain. I think the fog is not gonna disappear, so I should start climbing down now. This is the road. Dark and foggy. Heavy traffic on the way back home, and there's full moon.